Today we are going to learn the topic Laplace transform, the new unit Laplace transforms. It is very important chapter, important unit in point of examination point of view, and next unit and future studies also it is very important. So be concentrate on this topic. And differentiation and integration inverse to each other, like that it Laplace transforms and inverse Laplace transforms are inverse to each other. If you know Laplace transform very well, then inverse Laplace transforms are very easy to understand. So more concentrate on Laplace transforms. If you know the Laplace transform, then inverse Laplace transforms are very easy. So today's class, in this class we will learn definition of Laplace transform. What is the Laplace transform definition? We will learn about definition of a Laplace transform. Next, some basic formulae of some standard functions, Laplace transform basic formulae. Next, linearity property of Laplace transforms. Then some examples. Okay, guys. First, we will learn the definition. Next, formulae. Next, linearity property. Next, problems on this linearity property and standard basic formulas. Okay. So first let us go to definition of a Laplace transform. Okay. Suppose f of t be any function, then the Laplace transform of f of t is denoted by L of f of t. Means Laplace transform of f of t is denoted by L of f of t. Notation, this L of f of t is the notation, and it is defined by L of f of t equal to integration 0 to infinity e to the power of minus s into t f of t dt. Okay. Notation, Laplace transform f of t is any function. The notation is L of f of t, Laplace transform of a function f of t, and it is defined by L of f of t equal to integration 0 to infinity e to the power of minus s into t f of t dt. The integration value, definite integration value 0 to infinity e to the power of minus s into t f of t dt. That value whatever we get, that is called Laplace transform of f of t, and it is denoted by L of f of t. Okay, L of f of t, and it is equal to, that is also notation by f bar s. Means suppose if f of t be any function, then Laplace transform of f of t is denoted by L of f of t and defined by L of f of t equal to integration 0 to infinity e to the power of minus s into t f of t dt, that equal to f bar s. Means we get answer in s terms, so we denote it by f bar s. So understood? Any doubts? L of f of t means equal to integration 0 to infinity e to the power of minus s into t f of t dt, and its notation is L of f of t. Okay, the value of integration 0 to infinity e to the power of minus s into t st into f of t dt. This value is called Laplace transform of a function f of t, and notation is L of f of t. Therefore L of f of t equal to integration 0 to infinity e to the power of minus s into t f of t dt. Okay. Next, let us go to some examples, some standard functions of Laplace transforms, standard functions. Okay, 1 minute. Oh. Next, here Laplace transform. Suppose the function f of t equal to k. F of t equal to k. K is the constant function. Then what is the Laplace transform of k? L of k. By definition, we know that integration 0 to infinity e to the power of minus s into f of t dt. S into dt. Okay. S into dt. 0 to infinity e to the power of s st into f of t dt. So f of t, here f of t value is k. So in the next step, L of k equal to integration 0 to infinity e to the power of minus s into t k into dt. So in the integration, k is the constant, so k is outside, and integration e to the power of 0 to infinity e to the power of minus s into t dt, and e to the power of at integration of e to the power of at equal to e to the power of at by a. By using this formula, we get e to the power of minus s into t dt equal to k into e to the power of minus st by minus s integration 0 to infinity. So next step, okay, upper limit minus k by s, k s is outside, e to the power of minus infinity minus e to the power of 0, and e to the power of infinity value is minus infinity value is 0, e to the power of 0 value is, so minus minus we will get k by s. So L of k equal to Laplace transform of k equal to k by s. So if function is constant, then L of k equal to k by s. We got L of s equal to k by s. So Laplace transform of k, any constant, is k by s. We remember this formula. Like this, there are 8 standard functions. Based on these standard functions, the functions in the substitution of f of t function, we get values, Laplace transform the functions. So we will write down directly those functions, Laplace transform of those functions. Okay. Next. So formulas. Now the formulas of Laplace transform formulas. We have to remember these formulas. L of k equal to k by s. Already we derived this one. L of k equal to k by s, and Laplace transform of e to the power of at is 1 by s minus a, and L of e to the power of minus at is 1 by s plus a, and L of sin at equal to a by s square plus a square. L of cos at s by s square plus a square. L of sin at a by s square minus a square. L of cos h of at s by s square minus a square. L of t to the power of n is n factorial by s to the power of n plus 1. And all these formulas can be derived by using above definition. Okay, by using above definition, we'll find out all the formulas by substituting f of t in place of f of t, k e to the power of at e to the power of minus at sin at cos at sin h of at cos h of at t to the power of n. These 8 are fundamental standard functions, so we have to by add these formulas. K by s, L of e to the power of minus at is 1 by s minus a, L of e to the power of minus at is 1 by s plus a, L of sin at is a by s square plus a square, L of cos at is s by s square plus a square, L of sin h of at is a by s square minus a square, L of cos h of at equal to s by s square minus a square, L of t to the power of n is n factorial by s to the power of n plus 1. Okay. Using these formulas, these are standard formulas. Next we will go to the next slide, linearity property. What is the linearity property? Let us see. If f of t is the function and g of t is the function, two functions, and L of f of t equal to f bar s, Laplace transform of f of t is f bar s, and Laplace transform of g of t is g bar s, means two functions. Here we have two functions, f of t and g of t, and function f of t Laplace transform f of t is f bar s and g of t Laplace transform of g bar s. Then Laplace transform of c1 into f of t plus c2 into g of t. c1 into f of t plus c2 into g of t Laplace transform. In this, in first c1 is the coefficient of first function, c2 is the coefficient of second function. Say c1 is outside and Laplace transform of f of t, and c2 coefficient outside, Laplace transform of g of t. Okay, coefficients, we have to linearity property means we have to take coefficient outside and Laplace transform of first function, next second function. If sum of three functions are there means it will come sum of three functions. 4 means up to 4, 5, 6. How many functions? The algebraic sum of functions we get, coefficients are outside and remaining Laplace transform of the functions. This is the linearity property. Means if f of t and g of t are two functions and Laplace transform of f of t is f bar s and Laplace transform of g of t is g bar s, then L of c1 into f of t plus c2 into g of t equal to c1 into L of f of t plus c2 into L of g of t. This is the property. Okay. These problems, first standard formulas, 8 standard formulas, L of k, L of e to the power of at, L of e to the power of minus at, L of sin at, L of cos at, L of sin h of at, L of cos h of at, L of t to the power of n. These standard formulas, please add these 8 formulas. Okay, Laplace transform of k, k by s, Laplace transform of e to the power of at, 1 by s minus a, Laplace transform of e to the power of minus at, 1 by s plus a, Laplace transform of sin at, a by s square plus a square, Laplace transform of cos at, s by s square plus a square, Laplace transform of sin h of at, a by s square minus a square, Laplace transform of cos h of at, s by s square minus a square, Laplace transform of t to the power of n is n factorial by s to the power of n. This formula and linearity property, these two formulas and this property, we will do the problems. Okay, understood? So first problem, find Laplace transform of e to the power of 2t minus 4t cube plus 2 into sine 3t. Means here we have algebraic sum of three functions, e to the power of 2t one function, minus 4t cube another function, 2 into sine 3t another function. We have three functions. So by linearity property, first we divide it into first function, next minus is there, second function, next plus is there, third function. Laplace transform of e to the power of 2t minus Laplace transform of 4t cube plus Laplace transform of 2 into sine 3t. Okay. Next, in the second function we have constant, coefficient is the constant, here 2 is the coefficient. So next step we get coefficient is outside, 4 is outside. So first step, L of e to the power of 2t, no coefficient, and 4 is the coefficient outside, 4 into L of t cube plus 2 is the coefficient, 2 into L of sine 3t. So we need here three formulas. So first one, e to the power of at. So first formula, e to the power of at formula is 1 by s minus a. Here in this problem we have a equal to 2 and means we get 1 by s minus 2. Next formula, t to the power of n factorial by s to the power of n plus 1. So where n equal to 3. Next, Laplace transform of sin at, a by s square plus a square. So a equal to sin, here sin 3t, so a equal to 3. So substitution in these formulas we get next step 1 by s minus 2, 4 into n equal to 3, so 3 factorial by s to the power of 3 plus 1, 2 is of the same, a equal to 3, 3 by s square plus 3 square. By simplification, we get 1 by s minus 2. 3 factorial means 6. 3 into 2 into 1, that is 6. 6 into 4, 24 by s to the power of 4 plus 6 by s square plus 9. So the final answer is Laplace transform of e to the power of 2t minus 4t cube plus 2 into sine 3t, that is 1 by s minus 2, 24 by s to the power of 4 plus 6 by s square plus 9. Okay, understood? Any doubts? No doubts. Okay, Laplace transform. First linearity property, then using the formulas L of e to the power of at, Laplace transform of t to the power of n, Laplace transform of sine at. Please note down this problem. I will give 1 minute. Okay, note this problem within the 1 minute. We will do next problem. After this, we will do next problem. Here means we are using 3 formulas and linearity property. So write down first note down the problem. Okay, over. Next problem, find L of e to the power of 2t plus 4t cube minus 2 into sine 3t plus 3 into cos 3t. So here we have 4 functions, algebraic sum of 4, addition and subtraction, 1 subtraction, 3 additions, e to the power of 2t plus 4t cube plus minus 2 into sine 3t plus 3 into cos 3t. So here sum of 4 functions. So by linearity property we have to divide first function Laplace transform of first function, Laplace transform of second function, Laplace transform of third function plus Laplace transform of fourth function. Okay, let us do the solution. Okay, next. So by using linearity property we get L of e to the power of 2t, 4 is the coefficient outside, Laplace transform of 4t cube minus 2 into L of sine 3t plus 3 into L of cos 3t. Okay. By formula e to the power of 2t formula 1 by s minus a, here a equal to 2, so 1 by s minus 2. T cube formula Laplace transform of t to the power of n formula n factorial by s to the power of n plus 1, where n equal to 3, so we get 3 factorial by 1 by 3 factorial by s to the power of 3 plus 1. And Laplace transform of sine 3t, so sine at formula a by s square plus a square, here a equal to 3, so 3 by s square plus 3 square. Next, Laplace transform of cos 3t, s by s square plus a square, a equal to 3, so s by s square plus 3 square. On simplification we get 1 by s minus 2 plus 24 by s to the power of 4 minus 6 by s square plus 9 plus 3s by s square plus 9. This is the final answer. Okay, please write down that is this is the question, sum of 4 functions. Here 4 is the coefficient outside, 4 is the coefficient outside, 2 is the coefficient outside, 3 is the coefficient outside, and Laplace transform of e to the power of t, Laplace transform of t cube, Laplace transform of sine 3t, Laplace transform of cos 3t, and then applying the formulas we get answer. Okay, write down the solution within the minutes. I will give half minute. Write down this one. Okay, here four functions are there. First, using linearity property and then applying the respective formulas and simplification. Only three steps: linearity property, next respective 8 basic formulas, and simplification. We get answer. Okay, over. Is it over problem? Okay. Next, we will do the next problem. Find L of e to the power of t minus e to the power of minus 3t. Here two functions. So by linearity property, we get L of e to the power of t minus L of e to the power of minus 3t. So here we need two formulas: L of at, that is 1 by s minus a, L of e to the power of minus at, 1 by s plus a. So a means, in the first one, a means 1, L of t e to the power of t, a equal to 1, and L of e to the power of minus 3t means L of e to the power of minus at, a equal to 3. So by substituting, we get 1 by s minus a and minus of 1 by s plus 3. So basing on these two formulas, L of e to the power of at, 1 by s minus a, here a equal to 1, so we get 1 by s minus 1, and L of e to the power of minus 3t, here a equal to 3, so we get 1 by s plus 3. Okay, understood? So please note down the problem within the minutes. Here also we are using first linearity property and next applying the formula simplification. Okay, remember these two steps: first linearity property, next standard formulas. Okay, write down quickly. Over. Okay, next problem. We'll see the next problem. Laplace transform of 3t square 4 into sin 3t 3 into cos 2t minus 1. Means here we have four functions. One function, first one is t square, next one is sin 2t, next one is 3 cos 2t, next one is minus 1. So by linearity property, I already told two things we have to remember in our mind. First one is the linearity property and second one is the standard formulas. Okay, so first one, by linearity property, in here 3 is the coefficient. 1 minute. 3t square, 3 is the coefficient, so 3 outside, 3 get it outside, Laplace transform of t square. Okay, and next is second function, 4 into sin 2t, 4 is the coefficient outside, Laplace transform of sin 2t. Okay, next 3 into cos 2t, 3 is the coefficient, 3 outside, L of cos 2t. Next, L of minus 1. Okay, it is by linearity property. Coefficients are outside and Laplace transform of functions. So here we got it, this step by linearity property. Next step. So we need four formulas here: L of t to the power of n, L of sin at, L of cos at, L of k. So basing on this, so first one, L of t to the power of n formula, n factorial by s to the power of n plus 1. Here we have n equal to 2, so we get 2 factorial by s to the power of 2 plus 1, means 2 factorial means 2 into 1 2, 2 by s cube. Okay, next one, L of sin at, means L of sin at is a by s square plus a square. Here a equal to 2, so we get 2 by s square plus 2 square, means 2 by s square plus 4. That is Laplace transform of sin at. Next, Laplace transform of cos 2t, means we have to know the formula L of cos at, s by s square plus a square, where a equal to 2, so we get s by s square plus 2 square, means s by s square plus 2 square means 4. Next one, Laplace transform of k, that is k by s. Here Laplace transform of 1, k means here 1, so k by s means 1 by s. Okay, and after simplification 2 factorial equal to 2, 3 into 2 6, we get the answer 6 by s cube, 4 into 2 8, 8 by s square plus 4. Next 3s by s square plus 4 minus 1 by s. This is the Laplace transform of given function. So we are doing first linearity property, next standard formulas, these 4 standard formulas and linearity property. Please remember only 2 steps. First one is the linear property and next standard formula. Apply standard formula, we get answer. Okay, please note down as early as possible. I will give time. Note down the problem. Next we will do next problem. However, only 2 things we have to remember. 2 things. First one, linearity property, extend by linearity property. Next, apply the basic formulas, standard formulas. We get our answer. Okay, is it over? Any doubts? Okay, no doubts. Very well, very good. Next, we will do next problem. Okay, let us go for the next problem. Here, find Laplace transform of cos square t. Laplace transform of cos square t, cos square 2t. In the 8 basic formulas, we don't have the formula for cos square 2t. We have formula for e to the power of at, e to the power of minus at, sin at, cos at, sin h of at, cos h of at, t to the power of n, k. These only 8 formulas, 8 basic. But we have here cos square 2t. So first we simplify this cos square 2t by using trigonometric identities. Trigonometry, we have the formula cos square theta equal to 1 plus cos 2t by 2. You know the formula cos square t equal to 1 plus cos 2t by 2. Here theta means 2t. Substituting 2 in place of theta 2t, we get this L of 1 plus cos 4t by 2. Here this 1 by 2, overall denominator 1 by 2 is constant outside. Okay. 1 by 2 outside, and outside means L of 1 plus cos 4t. Here two functions, by using same linearity property we get L of 1 plus L of cos 4t. So here we need linearity property is over, same steps. Next we need formulas L of k, k by s, L of cos at, s by s square plus a square. Here a equal to 4, here k equal to 1. By substituting these formulas, then we get 1 by 2, 1 by L of 1 means 1 by s, L of cos 40 means s by s square plus 4 square means 60. Okay. Here in every problem we are doing linearity property and standard formulas, but here extra we have to simplify. We don't have the formula for direct cos square 2t, so we have to use this formula cos square theta formula and then linearity simplify and linearity property and apply standard formulas. Okay, understood. Okay, write down as quickly as possible. We will do move to next problem. Okay, within the second. Here we are doing first one cos square t simplification, next linearity property, next standard formulas. Okay, let us go for next problem. Find Laplace transform of cos 6t into cos 3t. Here also we don't have the formula, direct formula for multiplication of two trigonometric functions. We have formula for cos 6t and cos 3t separate, but we don't have in product. So first we use trigonometric identity and simplify, then linear property, and next standard formula. So we have trigonometric formula 2 cos a cos b equal to cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b. So it is in the form of cos a cos b. So this 2 will get 1 by 2. Okay, here a equal to 6t and b equal to 3t. By substituting these three a value, b value in the above formula, cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b, a equal to 6t plus b equal to 3t, we get 1 by 2 into cos of 6t plus 3t plus cos of 6t minus 3t. 6t plus 3t means 90, we get cos of 90 plus cos of 6t minus 3t means cos of 3t. Okay, next step. We got up to this one. We applied trigonometric formula and simplified. We got 1 by 2 into L of cos 90 plus cos 3t. So then linearity property. Then apply linearity property. So 1 by 2 into Laplace transform of first function, no coefficient, and Laplace transform of second function. Here also no coefficient. So next apply basic formula L of cos 80. L of cos 80, first one a equal to 9. So s by s square plus 9 square. So s by s square plus 9 square means 81. Next second one a equal to 3. So s by s square plus 3 square means s by s square plus 9. We get the final answer 1 by 2 into s by s square plus 81 plus s by s square plus 9. Okay, understood? Same basic steps are 2, linearity property and standard formula. But here extra we need to do. First we don't have the direct formula, so simplify using trigonometry. We get this simplification, then apply linearity property, then apply the standard formula. Only one step we will get extra. Okay, understand? Okay, write down fastly. We will move to next problem. Seconds. Sorry, this problem write down. Okay, next problem. Let us do next problem. 2 into sin phi t minus L of 2 into sin phi t minus 3 into cos. Sorry. Okay. L of 2 into sin phi t minus 3 into cos 60. Here two functions, so apply first linearity property. By applying linearity property, here 2 is the coefficient outside L of sin phi t, here 3 is the coefficient 3 outside L of cos 60. We get this step. By linearity property, this is the step, coefficient is outside, Laplace transform of first function minus Laplace 3 is the coefficient outside, Laplace transform of second function. Then applying the standard formula, first one is L of sin 80 where a equal to 5, L of cos 80 a equal to 6. So standard formula L of sin 80 is a by s square plus a square, L of cos 80 is s by s square plus a square. So substituting these formulas, sin phi t means 2 into 5 by s square plus 5 square, cos 6t means s by s square plus 6 square, and simplification 2 into 5 10, we get 10 by s square plus 25 plus 3s by s square plus 36. Okay, this is the formula. And first we do apply linearity property, then apply standard formula and simplification, we get the answer. Okay, understood. We will do next problem. Next problem, find Laplace transform of e to the power of minus 3t 4 into cos h of 3t plus sin 2t. So here also by using linearity property, okay, here mistaken, e to the power of minus 3t 4 into, we get here 4, mistakenly not written, 4 into L of cos h of 4t plus L into sin 2t. Okay, and apply the basic formulas. E to the power of minus 80 formula 1 by s plus a equal to 3, L of cos h of at a equal to 1, s by s square minus a square, L of sin at a by s square plus a square. Applying the formulas, here we will get 4. Okay, 4s by s square minus a square, here also we get 4s by s square minus 1. On simplification we get 1 by s plus 3, 4s by s square minus 1, 2 by s square plus 4. Okay, here also, here we get 4, here mistakenly, okay, typing is mistake, 4s, here also 4 is the coefficient, 4 will come. Okay, only we will direct here 4. Okay, 4s. Okay, let us do next. We will move to next problem. Find sin square L of sin square t. L of sin square t means here also we don't have the formula for sin square t. So first of all we have to simplify this sin square t using trigonometric identity. We have formula for sin square theta is 1 minus cos 2t by 2. 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2, where theta equal to t1. So by simply applying this formula and then linearity property we get. So L of sin square t equal to L of 1 minus cos 2t by 2. Formula sin square t formula 1 minus cos 2t by 2. So then 1 by 2 outside, by linearity property L of 1 L of cos 2t. Okay, L of cos 2t. So L of 1 L of k formula 1 by k by s means k equal to 1. So 1 by s, L of cos 2t s by s square plus a square. So s by s square plus 2 square means s square plus 4. This is the final answer. 1 by 2 into 1 by s minus s by s square plus 4. Okay, understand. So first one, trigonometric, we are simplifying this step, cos sin square theta formula, then linearity property, next standard formula. Next problem, let us move to next problem. Find L of cos 5t into cos 2t. This is also same, we don't have the formula for this one directly. So first apply trigonometry, cos A into cos B. Cos A cos B formula. Okay na? Cos A cos B formula, cos 5t cos 2t, and simplify, then linearity property, and next standard formula, apply standard formula, we get the answer. Okay, let us see the solution. So here okay, here cos 5t cos 2t mean cos A cos, so 1 by 2 into cos of A plus B cos of A minus B, A plus B means 5t plus 2t cos 7t, and cos of A minus B means 5t minus 2t cos 3t. Okay, cos, we have the formula 2 cos a cos b equal to cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b, a equal to 5t, b equal to 2t. So cos of a plus b 5t plus 2t is 7t, cos of a minus b 5t minus 3t is 5t minus 2t, we get 3t. Okay, applying this formula we get this step cos of 7t plus cos of 3t. So 1 by 2 is outside, so apply cos of 7t formula. Cos of 7t formula is cos 80 formula. Cos 80 formula is s by s square plus a square, where a equal to 7. So s by s square plus 7 square. Okay, 7 square means s by s square plus 49. Next, cos of 3t. Cos of 3t means a equal to 3, so s by s square plus 3 square. A means here 3, so we get s square plus 3 square. Understand? 3 square means 9, so s by s square plus 9. So 1 by 2 into s by s square plus 49 and s by s square plus 9. So we are using this formula s by s square plus a square L of cos 8. Means in this problem we are doing here 3 steps. Here we don't have the direct Laplace transfer formula for cos 5t cos 2t, product of two functions. So we have only 8 standard formulas up to now. So that is basic formulas of 8 formulas we have. So we don't have the formula for that one. So by using trigonometry formula 2 cos a cos b, so simplify it, a equal to 5t, b equal to 2t, we get this step. Okay, understand? After getting this step, linearity property, use the linearity property. Okay, use the linearity property cos of 7t plus cos 3t. Okay, and next linearity property, after linearity property apply standard formula L of cos 8t formula. L of cos 8t formula s by s square plus a square, and next simplify, we get the answer. Okay, write down the formula problem. We will move to next. Only we need to remember this basic problems will come in 2 or 3 steps. If trigonometric generally 2 steps. First one linearity property, next use 8 standard formulas. If direct formula is not there, direct formula is not coming, means we have to simplify the function by using trigonometry or any function trigonometry, then apply the linearity property and standard formulas. Okay, next today's class we learned about 3 topics. Okay, let us move for first one. Summarize today's topics totally. Today we learn about definition of a Laplace transform, what is the definition, and 8 basic formulas and linearity property and problems, some problems on the linearity property. This is the class, today's class. Okay, definition, Laplace transform definition and notation, and 8 basic formulas we learn so far, and linearity property, coefficients outside, functions, sum of 2 or 3 functions, then some problems. Okay, this is the next class. Sorry for the disturbance. Okay, this is the formally we learn about definition of Laplace transform and formulas of standard formulas, 8 basic formulas and linearity property, and then we done the problems. Okay, if you have any doubts, please feel free to, any queries, feel free to send the mail to the answers given in the slide suresh.debbadi@gmail.com. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. We will do the next topic. Next class we will do the next problems on another property and another problems. Thank you.